In this next video I'm going to talk to you a little bit about creating zones. Let's start off by opening up our project. So we're in a floor plan here, ground floor space plan. So the next step in preparing to compute heating and cooling loads is to divide the building into zones. Each zone consists of similar spaces that will be heated and cooled in the same manner. There is always one default zone in a project. All spaces are automatically attached to that zone when they are created. While you can add zones into a template, you usually add spaces first, then create zones and add spaces to the zones. You can create zones in plan and section views. So let's start off by adding zones. We've already got a plan view open that contains spaces that we wish to work with. So let's start off by going to VV, Visibility Graphics, and go down to the HVAC zones here. Expand that, and then we're going to click on Interior Fill and Reference Lines, and then click on OK. Now in the Analyze tab, what we're going to do is click on Zone. Now under the Properties, this box here, go down to Identity Data. Now by default it creates a numbering system, numbering 1, the name numbering 1, and it'll be in increment numbers, but we're going to change this to say classroom. Enter and apply. And then what we're going to do is we're going to choose, we've already got add space, we're going to choose our spaces here, like this, and then click on Finish Editing Zone. And as you can see, we've got these 6 classrooms, all as our zone. Now if we want to change something, what we can do is we can click on our zone line, edit zone, and say for example we want to remove a classroom. We just do this and then finish off. Now we can also add tags to these. Now these don't show up by default, so we need to switch these on manually. So we need to go to Annotate, Tag by Category, and then click on the line for us to show, because our zone is represented by this thin line going through the middle.